Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone in iOS 18. So friends, to fix this issue, first of all open the control center on your iPhone. On the control center, tap on Do Not Disturb. Here, make sure that Do Not Disturb is not enabled. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, your calls, notifications and alarm are all silenced. So you have to disable the Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. After that, go to Back menu and turn on airplane mode for about 30 seconds. Then turn it off. So guys, turning off on airplane mode will fix your iPhone's network problem. Sometimes the code doesn't come due to a network issue. Now go back to the home screen and open settings. Swipe down and tap notifications. On the notifications, find messages and tap on it. In the messages menu, make sure that allow notifications is toggled on and check that the lock screen, notification center and banners options are enabled.